Good day, everyone. My name is Rosalyn May Casilang, your reporter for today's lesson. My topic is all about combined gas law. So, pag sinabi natin combine, pagko-combine natin yung tatlong law. Pero actually, apat sila. Pero hindi nakasama yung avocados law dyan. 3 lang. 3 yung pagsasama nating formula. Yung Boyle's Law, Charles Law, and Gay-Lussac's Law. So, let's start. The crying. So, mag-start tayo sa mga formula ng mga bawat law. Example na ang Boyle's Law, P1, V1 is equal to P2 is V2. Charles Law, V1 over T1 is equal to V2 is over T2. Ang Gay-Lussac's Law, P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2. So, mapapansin nyo yung volume at saka yung pressure at volume is nasa numerator lagi. Katulad Charles Law, ang volume is nasa numerator. Gay-Lussac's, ang pressure is nasa numerator. Tapos, ang temperature naman is nasa denominator. So, sa tingin nyo, anong magiging formula nila? Siyempre, pagsasama ang pressure, volume sa numerator at temperature naman is nasa denominator. So, ang formula ng combined gas law is P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. So, let's solve this problem. A sample of N2 gas was placed in a flexible 9-liter container at 300 Kelvin at a pressure of 1.5 atmosphere. So, ang initial nito is volume 1, which is 9 liter. Tapos, ang temperature 1, 300 Kelvin. Tapos, P, 1.5 atm. Tapos, the container was compressed to a volume of 3 liter and heat was added until the temperature reached 600 Kelvin. So, ang final condition natin dito, ang volume is 300 liter, 3 liter. Tapos, ang T1 ay, ito na pala. Tapos, ang T2 is 600 Kelvin. Ang P1, yun yung nawawala. Kasi sabi niya, what is the new temperature? So, let's solve. Formula first. P1, V1, T1 is equal to P2, V2 is equal to T2. So, ano yung P1 natin? P1 is 1.5, ang V1 is 9, at ang T1 is 300, equals to V2, ay P1, yun yung nawawala, so kakopy lang natin. Tapos, V2, 3, tapos, T2 is 600. So, ang gagawin natin dito is cross multiplication. So, 1.5 times 9 times 300, ay 600. So, ito is 8,100. Tapos, copy P2, 3 times 100 lang ito. Ay, 300 pala. Oh, sorry. And 3 times 300 is 900. So, kakopy natin 900 P2. Huwag kalimutan pala. Tapos, kakopy natin tong 900 para divide siya sa 1,100. 8,100 divided by 900 is equals to 9 ATM. Kasi siya yung nawawalay dito. So, P2 is equal to 900 ATM. Tada!